Our grandparents lived on minimum wage and owned a house. They weren't magic. They used shockingly simple tricks to save a fortune. You know what? You could be throwing away $500 a month on hidden expenses. Our ancestors knew better, and you know what? Their old-fashioned tricks are still timeless and can save you money without sacrificing happiness. In this video, we will explore 50 old-fashioned frugal living hacks that still work. Don't even think about skipping number 19. It's a game changer that can slash your electricity costs by a whopping 50%. 1. Cook at home. Skip pricey restaurant meals and become a home kitchen hero. Save big while becoming a culinary boss. 2. Grow your own food. Fresh produce from your own backyard. Farm to table, and that too, on a budget. 3. Preserve food. Don't waste that harvest. Learn to can or freeze for delicious future meals. Preserve your leftovers so it can be utilized and doesn't go wasted. 4. Shop with a list. Grocery. Shopping with a list is your weapon. No more impulse buys, just savings in your basket. 5. Buy in bulk. Buy non-perishables in bulk for major cash savings. Just remember, use it all, or you'll be a stockpiling squirrel. 6. Make your own cleaning supplies. Ditch the expensive cleaners. DIY your own and watch your wallet and the planet smile. 7. Mend clothing. Ripped jeans? Don't toss them. A stitch in time saves cash and keeps your favorite clothes looking great. Become a mending master, not a fast fashion follower. 8. Buy secondhand. Skip expensive stores. Explore thrift stores or online marketplaces for hidden treasures. Designer labels at a fraction of the cost. Yes, please. 9. Use cloth diapers. Ditch the disposables. Consider cloth diapers for big savings and a greener way to care for your little one, if applicable to your situation. 10. Line dry clothes. Save on energy bills. Ditch the dryer and let the sunshine work its magic. Air-dried clothes smell fresh and save you cash. 11. Bike or walk. Skip the gas station. Opt for biking or walking for errands. Get exercise, save money, and enjoy the fresh air. 12. Barter or trade. Got a skill to share. Swap expertise or goods with friends and neighbors. Think haircuts for babysitting. Win-win. 13. Limit electricity usage. Turn off lights, unplug chargers. Every watt saved adds up to big savings on your electricity bill. Be an energy warrior. 14. Make your own gifts. Skip the store-bought. Make personalized gifts that show you care. Save money and create lasting memories. 15. Handwritten letters. Ditch the phone bill. Write heartfelt letters and rediscover the joy of snail mail. You might even start a trend. 16. Host potlucks. Share the cost of meals. Host potlucks with friends and enjoy delicious food and company without breaking the bank. 17. DIY home repairs. Learn basic repairs. From leaky faucets to loose doorknobs, tackle small fixes yourself and save on handyman costs. 18. Use coupons. Wisely. Don't be a mindless coupon clipper. Only use coupons for items you actually need and are already on your grocery list. This way, you save money without impulse purchases. 19. Install a programmable thermostat. Take control of your climate control. Install a programmable thermostat and set schedules for heating and cooling. You'll save on energy costs without sacrificing comfort. 20. Reuse containers. Don't throw away those glass jars or plastic containers. Repurpose them for storage. From leftovers to pantry staples, they're a free and eco-friendly storage solution. 21. Carpool. Ditch the solo commutes. Share rides with neighbors or co-workers to work or errands. You'll save on gas, reduce your carbon footprint, and maybe enjoy some conversation along the way. 22. Unplug appliances. Stop phantom energy drain. Unplug electronics like chargers and TVs when not in use. These energy vampires suck up power even on standby. 23. Buy generic brands. Don't be fooled by fancy packaging. Often, generic store brands offer the same quality as name brands at a significantly lower price. Give them a try and see the savings. 24. Limit cable TV. Rethink your entertainment options. Explore more affordable streaming services offering your favorite shows and movies, or ditch cable altogether and rely on free apps or libraries. 25. Negotiate bills. Don't accept the first offer. Contact your internet, phone, or cable providers and see if you can negotiate lower rates. A friendly conversation can save you money on your monthly bills. 26. Practice water conservation. Conserve this precious resource. Fix leaks and use water-saving appliances to lower your water bill and help the environment. 27. Make your own coffee. Skip the cafe brews. Brew coffee at home for a fraction of the cost. Enjoy a delicious, customizable cup and keep more money in your pocket. 28. Use reusable bags. Ditch the disposables. Invest in reusable shopping bags. Save money, reduce waste, and feel good about your eco-friendly choices. 29. Teach DIY skills. Pass on frugal living skills to friends and family. Empower them to save money and create a sustainable lifestyle for future generations to come. 30. Homemade gifts. Craft with love. Make your own gifts instead of buying expensive ones. It's a personal and thoughtful way to show you care, all while saving money. 31. Practice mindful spending. Don't be a spendthrift. Consider purchases carefully. Avoid impulse buys and ask yourself, do I need this or just want it? Make conscious spending choices. 32. Avoid credit card debt. Ditch the interest trap. Pay off credit card balances monthly to escape high interest charges. 33. Cancel unused subscriptions. Trim the subscription fat. Audit your services and cancel those you don't actively use. Why pay for things you don't enjoy? 34. DIY pest control. Go green on pests. Explore natural methods like vinegar or diatomaceous earth to keep unwanted critters at bay. Skip the expensive exterminators. 35. Educate yourself. Learn and save. Invest in acquiring new skills that might replace the need for hiring professionals, saving you money in the long run. 36. Host clothing swaps. Refresh your wardrobe for free. Organize clothing swaps with friends and exchange gently used items for a whole new look. Recycle fashion. 37. Conserve gas. Plan smart, drive less. Combine errands into one trip to save on gas and reduce your carbon footprint. Every mile saved is money in your pocket. 38. Pack lunch. Pack your power lunch. Skip the overpriced cafeteria food and pack your own lunch for work. Save significant money and control your portions. 39. Practice minimalism. Live simply, save more. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle with fewer possessions, less clutter, less stress, and more money in the bank. 40. Library usage. Borrow, don't buy. Utilize your local library for free books, movies, audiobooks, and even events. It's a treasure trove of entertainment and knowledge. 41. DIY home decor. Create your own decorations instead of purchasing new ones. 42. Cut your own hair. Trim your hair at home to save on salon expenses. 43. Hand-me-downs. Accept or give hand-me-downs for children's clothing. 44. Shop off-season. Purchase items like clothing and holiday decorations during off-season sales. 45. Buy durable goods. Invest in high-quality items that last longer. 46. Repair before replacing. Fix broken items rather than replacing them. 47. Limit eating out. Reserve dining out for special occasions. 48. Practice energy efficiency. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. 49. Community events. Participate in local free or low-cost community events for budget-friendly entertainment. 50. Educate yourself. Learn and save. Invest in acquiring new skills that might replace the need for hiring professionals. This will save you money in the long run. That's all for today. If you want more money-saving magic, subscribe to this channel and watch your wallet do a happy dance.